Learning platforms have become essential tools for digital teaching. But for teachers of STEM subjects, they still present some difficulties. For example, creating questionnaires or exams with mathematical language is both complex and very limited. In not seeing their needs met, many teachers choose to give up on using learning platforms, so they end up being underused. Is there a solution to this challenge? We introduce Wiris Quizzes, the solution that integrates into your educational platform and enhances the quizzing and evaluation system for STEM subjects. With Wiris Quizzes, teachers, students, and system administrators will find their needs fully covered. Wiris Quizzes understands math. We have developed a math engine that understands everything from an elementary level to the most complex higher ed problems. It breaks the restrictions of multiple choice questions. Wiris Quizzes expands the capabilities of learning platforms and gives students space to show what they know with open answers. As a teacher, you will have total freedom while creating questions. You have an editor that allows you to design and customize questions and define conditions on the valid answers. Because the tool understands math, it can evaluate and compare equivalent answers. You will save time working and correcting. And beyond math, Wiris Quizzes covers the specific needs of STEM disciplines, units of measurement and their equivalencies, tolerances, and accuracies. You can even ask geometry or statistics questions graphically, thanks to the new integrated graphics engine. With Wiris Quizzes, we boost online learning of STEM subjects. Students will receive tailored and immediate feedback on their answers in real time. The handwriting feature makes entering answers much more convenient with touch devices or styluses. In addition, you can easily create practice sets for your students. If the student needs to practice a specific question, they can repeat it as many times as they want, thanks to random parameters. Wiris Quizzes integrates with the most popular LMSs, Blackboard, Canvas, Moodle, and Brightspace by D2L. And it's possible to integrate it into any other platform through the LTI protocol or our own API. Make the most of your school's digital resources thanks to Wiris Quizzes. You will enhance the use of your platform in STEM subjects, and you'll take advantage of touch devices with the handwriting feature. Wiris Quizzes is the optimal add-on for your learning platform to become a tool for teaching STEM subjects. Wiris Quizzes. Empower STEM questions in digital learning.